morning, guys. Today is Friday. Jaxson has an appointment. Today is his first appointment since his diagnosis, so you know, yours truly over here, homegirl, here, right here, yeah, me. I'm like, my little body's like, you know what I mean? I can't let the kids know what I'm talking about, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Little girl here is ready. She put up a fuss to get her hair done. Her hair, I put 2 little braids in the front because the front of her hair, I don't know what happened. I think her brushing her hair and stuff like that pulled the ends off of her hair, so the little frizzies are they just stick up. But anyways, I was gonna order Uber because, you know, you guys know my car situation. I really don't have a car because we sold the blue truck and the family truck been broken and is gone. So I was gonna order Uber. I have an hour until my appointment because it's like 7:30 now. My appointment is at 8:30. It's like, sorry, the lighting is not that great. But anyways, it's like 4 minutes with Uber, but I could walk and save that $10. You know what I mean? But then I kind of like, I don't want to walk with the kids on such a busy street. Because we have to cross an intersection. We have to cross 2 intersections, and even though I have the stroller and I can hold your hand and then have the other kids around me, I'm so, like, my anxiety right now is acting up and I don't know why. I just want to punch it. I legit want to punch my anxiety right now, but so I'm gonna, I can't even find my makeup because I haven't even done my eyebrows. I can't find my moisturizer, my lip is dry. Everything is wrong this morning, but I don't want to concentrate on me. It's not about me. But anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there. Ooh, I can't walk outside. It's 23 degrees. Even though it's supposed to warm up. It's 23, I can't walk. So I went ahead and just ordered the Uber because it's too cold. Yes. I'm getting ready to put, you gotta put your jacket on. You gotta put your jacket on. Relax, I know. It's okay. She's so cute, but maybe it's because my child I'm biased. Maddie, say hi.
What's an Uber, Mommy?
Here we go. It's a car. It's a car that someone else drives, and they give rides, and you have to pay them. Does that make sense?
Oh, we did that.
I don't know why the setting, maybe because it's dark outside, but it's really dark in this house. I'll see you guys when I get there. I had a CD that they gave me at the hospital with the ultrasound findings and stuff on it, but I can't find it, and I need it. Maddie, what did you do with that CD? I need it. You had it.
Wait, Jordan?
It says it said the hospital on the front.
Jordan said had a CD yesterday when he made his peanut butter and jelly.
He had it?
Yeah. Probably.
Okay. Let's go check that.
Jordan,
where did you find it?
I put in the yesterday.
I need a CD case. I don't need a CD case for anything. I think it's all scratched up now. It had a case. This is all his this has all of his stuff on here. So I need this guy. I need to find it. I found the cover. I'm such a irresponsible parent. You would think that this stuff would be put away somewhere, but hey, whatever. I'll see you guys when I get there. Which number is your doctor?
Dr. who?
Dr. I keep forgetting. You think I remember the amount of time. Urology. Did you press the button? Madison.
I pooped.
You pooped?
Yeah, I did.
Oh Lord, this is what happens when all the kids are out of school. I can't even get them in one frame. I don't care. And I'm carrying this big old basket. I didn't even need it, but just to be on the safe side. All right. Cut it out. Shh. There's like so many of y'all here. Like, really? We're up in here, like really deep, like really. But anyways, this is height. Wait. So now we're waiting on the doctor. I'm so scared. I'll update you guys once I hear anything. Miss Maddie, come here. Come. Come. Lord, guys, that was like the most pleasant experience I've ever had, because you know, the thought of going to take public transportation was freaking me out because I have anxiety. And I was like, oh, I go take public transportation and they're gonna kidnap me and my children. And it was just like, but it was so awesome. It was so amazing. I didn't have to give money. I didn't have to tip anything. I didn't have to, all I had to do was put in my location where I was going. It was so, but anyways, it was really start picking up the stuff. Jason and Jordan, you guys are getting ready to take trash out. I'm getting ready to do a clean on my house. My house is like disgusting. Like, it's so dirty. I don't even know how it got this way, but I have to clean it. I don't know if I want to do you guys watching me. I will show you what it looks like, and then I will show you what it looks like after, because I don't have space on my memory card to record all that cleaning and then edit it. And no, I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. So this is my table mess. There's pizza over there. My husband ordered pizza. It was vegan pizza from Pizza Hut. Nasty. It was the nastiest thing. No. I gotta sell those 3 things right there. My living room is a hot mess. My children are hot messes. This is a hot mess. Kitchen is a hot mess. I'm hungry, guys. Like, I'm legit hungry. I'm like cleaning up the kitchen, but I'm hungry. But I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying. I got stuck at 198. I think the lowest I got was 196. And I'm stuck. Like, legit stuck. So I'm thinking of doing a fast. I try to do a fast, because usually that's how I get myself out of that, you know, thing. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys do? Put that in the trash. What do you guys do to get out of that, you know, phase where you're stuck? I forgot what it's called, but that's a word. But anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
We're finished.
You're not finished. With the shoe, I will give you another task. Hold on. Let me go get these kids doing what they're supposed to be doing. Okay, so my dining room is all clean. This the I didn't show you guys. Destiny, turn that down. Yeah, so dining room is all clean. This diffuser my husband got me for Christmas, and I absolutely love it. It smells so amazing. And yeah, so the dining room is all clean. So yeah. This guy's all clean. So I'm done cleaning. I'm about to make these kids some lunch. I'm about to make some rice and beans for them. And that's it. I don't think I showed you guys the living room, but you know, I vacuumed. I put away 2 loads. Can you turn that down, please? Turn that off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Thank you. I only have to dust. I look weird. I only have to dust, and I have to do Madison's hair because we might go to church tomorrow. We might not, because I don't know. No, we're not going to church tomorrow. Oh, I forgot to update you guys on Jackson's appointment. So we have to do we have to get 2 surgeries done, and actually it's 3, but one of them is 2 in 1. So that's the plan. Actually it's 3. I don't know why I said it was 2. It's 4, but it's 3. So 2 is gonna be done back to back. 1 is 2 in 1. The other one is gonna be done shortly after that. So that's 3. And then the fourth one is the big guy. So yeah. You want more, Maddie? You want more? Would you like some more? More? Thank you. What do you say?
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, go have a seat, mommy. Go have a seat. Alright, see you later. Don't come back. Put some peppers in here.
Alright, it's very spicy.
Why are you yelling?
I don't like it. I don't like it.
It's not spicy, it's just peppers. Okay, thank you. Put him out. What do you say? Thank you. Thank you. Alright, go have a seat. Get your blanket. Get your blanket and go have a seat. Get your blanket. Maddie! Maddie! Get your blanket. No, you get it. Come here. Come back here. Here's your blanket. Go on about your business, girl.
I'm trying to put this back on.
Would you like some blueberries in your plate? Here, I'll get you some blueberries.
I'm writing this. That's it. You're not really on this. Wow. Turn off.
Put some garbanzo beans in here. Here. Thank you. Thank you. Get your blanket. Get your blanket. Get your blanket. She's like, how am I supposed to get my blanket? What you doing, girl? What are you doing? Oh, Lord. Maddie, you're supposed to use your finger. You're supposed to take one out. Put it in your mouth. Alright, get your blanket. Get your blanket. Ah, I said get your blanket. Thank you. Alright. Enjoy, okay? Enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna close out the vlog. I gotta go edit it. I just realized I was laying down watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos and I'm like, oh, that's the thing, I love to watch YouTube, but I don't like making my own. I don't like edit. I don't like to edit. Right now I'm working on laundry. It's like this is my last load because sun is almost down, so this is my last load. Like that's it. And then in which I'm really good because I'm down. What? Okay. What do you need? What do you need, Maddie? Maddie don't need anything. She just she don't like when I'm talking. You want water? Give her water. Here. Okay. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys. Bye.